What's up, stallions? It's me, G's cousin. We're at the car show over here. Many cars. We got G's dad's car itself, the Hennessy package. We got my dad's car, the GTR, and then some steel car. Pretty dope. Deuces, stallions.
Conan's as far as the eye can see. Dude, look at that poor R8 over there. He's just sandwiched between two.
So sad. Never had a chance.
Never had a chance. Never had a chance to get in.
Dude, it's only 12:30 and this ends at 4. I want to wait to see just because all the cars that leave. They're always out driving the cars, but why not?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Sideways, like back and forth.
Damn.
Did he see his Bugatti?
I know one fucking area with Bugattis.
Supercharged Performante by VF. This one over here.
Damn. You just go up to like one of your friends, like with like 5 people. Oh my, dude, can I get a picture of you, please? Please, bro.
Look at these cars, Ab. You see this?
Hey, so what's your guys' favorite car here?
Dude, there's a whole bunch of this. Okay, so for just flat Huracans, like normal Huracans, the purple and blue one.
Right.
Okay, and then CCX RS.
CCX RS.
That's insane.
Koenigsegg RS.
Dude, there's like so many. Okay,
There's
if I had to like
Zonda
pick one,
Cinques
if I had to
here.
pick one
Two
car here,
Yeah, these are all Pagani's.
Tricolore, Cinque.
Ricorda moi.
It's insane. You guys all know whose car this is. Two Roadsters.
Right? The hard top?
Super fast. Oh, there's two Chirons over here. Hold on. Here's Houston's car.
Check it out. I think I did.
I could have had one.
So many of my friends would let you review their cars.
That is a fast supercharger.
Dude.
It's just like,
Orange, right? Aren't they self-made? Coming out with
Gardenia.
Yes.
This is actually pretty cool to find here.
Yeah, it will.
Wow, if I was gonna get an SUV. I love this color too. Shit's badass. Alright, which one? Old or new?
Yeah, that's a tough one. I'm gonna have to go with obviously new.
Yeah.
I'm a new style guy. But I respect the
Gotta respect your elders. Respect your elders. It's your car, bro. It's your car.
That's the one I was talking about.
So,
This is
so if you could have any car, he'd have this one.
not any car, any Huracan here.
Any Huracan.
Any
dude.
Huracan.
Let me specify. Any Huracan.
I told you any car, it's the GT350.
Damn. Damn. That fitment though. Dude, that fitment though. Damn. I need me some fitment like that.
Jesus Christ, you gotta get in
You're gonna die one or not?
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, get out of the way. Oh, there they go.
1,500 horsepower.
1,500.
Yeah.
Holy sh!
Rose tires.
1,500 horsepower Viper.
What's 1,500 horsepower?
That orange Viper. It's the White Ranger.
Stingray.
It's the White Stingray. Fellow 5-0, where is he? Oh, yes.
Money, that could be you.
That could be me!
Nice, Stephanie. No bird.
CCX. Everyone will get out of the way. Oh. Just wait over here.
Oh yeah, he's like, I'm gonna cruise. Hold the lamp.
How loud was that?
Oh my god! Where are you from?
I don't know, bro. There's no plate. I'm not from anywhere, bro.
That guy has a plate. He's a loser.
Oh yeah, dude. Whoever drives this car.
That guy? Not a cool kid, alright?
Yeah. Yeah, he should let me do a review of it though, right?
How many likes? Maybe. Okay, okay. No, let me give you a like.
As long as I have your permission.
Okay, no. Let me give you like a like thing, so you have to get likes.
Right.
If you get 30 likes.
Oh,
30 likes.
30 likes. We can do that.
30 likes.
We can hit that shit.
A review on the GTR.
Come on.
Alright.
That's not a normal GTR
it's
either.
Not that bad.
That's
30
that's
likes.
special
How many
GTR.
people are on YouTube?
30 likes?
30 likes.
That's it. 30 likes. That's it.
30 likes.
And then
We'll
you
do
can
that.
do a review on the GTR all you want.
Okay.
Really?
All right, bet.
Yeah.
Done.